First, you make blade deeper, deeper inside of this holder, deeper inside, not too deeper inside. Second, I think it is you see this side towards this side of blade towards to the motor, another side of blade towards to the die. So this is two sides. Don't change the direction. Make sure this side towards the die, and we suggest you install two blades in there, and make sure it is hold very hard, hold very tight, and make sure there is no gap between the blade and the die. If there are gap between the die and the cutter, I think it's easy to be broken. So please make sure the cutter and the die is no gap. There are no gap between the die and the cutter, and make sure the cutter will cut all the hole. Don't make a wrong position. Cut all the hole, and make the cutter no gap between the blade and the mold. You need to teach again and again. This is also the position of blade problem. If your cutter broken often, it's definitely the position of the cutter. So make sure that the position is close to the die, and no gap between that, and full parallel between the die and the blade. And close this door before you starting the machine. Close this door before you starting machine, because this have a sensor. If you open it, the cutter will stop automatically. So please make sure you close this door. The motor can running. So don't forget close this door.